Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we installed backup camera in 2015 BMW 5 Series that it didn't come with backup camera. That's where we put the backup camera. Car came with nav and it's fully loaded with front and back sensors, but there is no backup camera. So by going to reverse, the screen shifts to backup camera, as you can see. In this spot it shows the back and front sensors, and it comes with dynamic guidelines, and you can see the sensors on the screen too. If you're interested to get this type of backup cameras, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca, and I'm gonna leave the link to the interface video at the link below. Thank you and have a great day.